This is Clint Gregory with Hudson, agronomist out of Mayfield. I want to go over today some freeze injury that we had on some wheat. The farther we get away from the freeze event, the easier it'll be to tell how much damage you actually have. But it's starting to show up now, so I wanted to show you on some heads exactly what to be looking for. As you can see on this head, the top of this is white looking, and as you go farther down the head, it's green. That from about here up, this head is not going to pollinate. It'll be blank in there, and you can actually take that off and peel the glooms back to look at the anthers that are in there, and you can see those are a nice green color and plump. And we go up here to where the head is discolored, and you peel those back, and you'll see some that are white and shriveled looking. If I can get them apart, there's some right there that are, and you can see the difference between those and then the ones that we looked at earlier. And I'll peel some back here on, those are just better looking, and that's going to go ahead and make a head. The other issue that you can have is also what's called a frost ring on the stem itself. If you peel back the leaf sheath from the stem, it'll be discolored and white looking. You can see it here. It's green and then it gets to a white looking color. That may or may not break over. That's something that really don't know until later in the season. As that head maybe pollinates, as long as that head's viable and starts getting weight in it, it'll get heavy and it could very easily break over right there in that weak spot. So that's just a quick way to kind of see some damage. And you can see it on these heads. You can see they're starting to get discolored. Take this head for example. Again, it's green, then it kind of starts getting a white color. And then here's another one, from about here up is discolored. This is a darker, more appropriate green. As we get farther along away from the event, the heads will start turning white and even brown, and they just won't fill out. But that's just a quick way to kind of determine if you have some freeze injury on your wheat.